Hello everyone, in this series of SQL server videos, let's see another aggregate function in SQL, which is minimum function. So minimum function in SQL is a function that finds the minimum value of the selected column. So it returns the smallest or the minimum value and it returns the single value. So you have the sample query on the screen. Let's see that practically how it works on our SQL editor. Back to our SQL editor, we have a simple select query. Executing that query will give you a certain rows and columns. You have 316 rows and inside that you have a rate column. This is employee pay history table, and inside that table you have a rate column. Rate column has different rates. So basically there are certain rates and it is kind of not similar. You have different types of rates here. Now if I want to find the record with minimum rate, in that case we can use the minimum function, which is an aggregate function. Let's see how to use it. Select minimum rate from human resource that employee pay history. I have executed this query and you can see we have got one record. It will return a single record only, the minimum function, and I am able to get the record with minimum rate. Let's say let's execute this once again. We have got minimum rate as 6.50. If I want to put any condition here, let's say there is a pay frequency as well. So let's put a where condition and see where pay frequency equal to 2, because we can see either it is having value 2 or 1. So let's say if I want to record where pay frequency is 2, in that case I'll get a different result here. Okay. Let's try one more query here. Select all from employee pay history. So we want all the columns from employee pay history with minimum rate. Where rate equal to, let's add a subquery here. Select minimum rate from human resource dot employee pay history. So this is our subquery, and let's try to execute this. Okay, so we have got 7 records. Earlier we have seen that the minimum rate is 6.50 and we have 5 such records where the rate is 6.50. That's the reason we have got this 7 records and not the 1 record. So as you can see, the minimum rate is 6.5 and there are 5 such records. So we are getting all the minimum rate records out of this query. So this is all about minimum function. Thanks everyone.